to use the EcoSan toilet, you would have to climb stairs. Pretend my fingers are legs. You would then open the door, and this is what you would see inside the toilet. If you would want to pee, you would go to the urine hole. You would place your right leg on the right side of the urine hole and your left leg on the left side of the urine hole. You would then start to pee. If you want to poop, you would go to the feces hole. This would be the same process, but once you're done pooping, you would sprinkle 2 spoonfuls or handfuls of ash onto the poop. So let me demonstrate. First spoonful and second spoonful. Once you're done, and to mention this, you would not sprinkle any ash onto the urine, just for the poop, that's all. And once you're done pooping and or peeing, you would want to clean yourself. To do that, but first let me show you what this is. So this is a tippy tap water container. This hole is open so that the water can come out. And I'll show you how to use what this footboard does later on. These are sticks. It helps hold the tippy tap water container and the soap. And under it, it's hard to see it, but it's a water container. It is used to collect the water from the tippy tap. So in order to get water from the tippy tap, you would have to step on the footboard. Once you step on it, water would be coming out and going into this water container. Right there. Once you get your desired amount of water, you would scoot this water container over to where the soap is. You would place it under the soap. And then you would start pumping a few pumps of soap into the water until you get your desired amounts. You would then mix it. You would then mix the water with the soap until it's fully combined. Once you're done with that, you would grab the water container and place it next to the used water hole. You would do the same process for the feces and the urine hole, which is to put one right leg on the right side of the hole and the other left leg on the left side. You would then use your hands to grab the water container, and you will start to clean your bottom and your hands. Once the water is done being used, once the water container is all empty, you would place it back under the tippy tap water container. And then, but when it comes to when your urine is full and your feces is full and the used water is full, this is what you're going to do. So basically, you would place the urine you would grab the urine container, you would place it in a separate urine container. So let's just pretend this is full. You would pour it into a separate container. Make sure that the container is able to fit the same amount of urine that the container has. You would close the lid, and you would have to wait for about 20 to 30 days until the bad bacteria is killed. Once you wait 20 to 30 days, the urine is now able to be used as a fertilizer for plants. This would be the same process for the feces one, but instead of using it as a fertilizer, you would use it as compost for your plants. So you would just pour the feces, not pour, but you would just place the feces on a separate feces container, close the lid, and you would wait for about 1 month until all the bad bacteria is killed. And then I forgot to mention this, but you would of course place the urine container, not from the separate urine container, but you would place the urine, the original urine container, back under the hole, like I did with the urine and feces. And you would use, and once the used water is full, you would grab it again, pour it in a separate used water container, close the lid, and for this one, you would wait for 1 week, in order for all the bad bacteria to be killed. And then that used water can be used as water for your plants.